some parts and advantage. Concrete mixer pump mainly consists of 3 parts: hydraulic power unit, drop mixer, and concrete conveying mechanism. 1. The high-powered diesel engine of a well-known brand is used as the main power, which greatly enhances the pumping distance and mixing power to make the aggregate mixing more uniform. The main oil pump adopts a large flow constant power variable pump with stable power and strong power, which can easily drive the drop mixer and concrete mixing pump. 2. The drop mixer has the characteristics of large capacity, fast discharging, convenient cleaning, and easy maintenance. 3. The concrete mixer pump, the material, can reach the vertical distance of 150 meters or the horizontal distance of 300 meters. The main advantages of this equipment. 1. The equipment also has a cardan shaft and 2 wheels, which can be easily moved to the designated working position. It is equipped with a quick-link pump tube clamped to make it faster to put into production. 2. Mixing and pumping share the same hydraulic power unit, making it convenient to move, energy-saving, and environmental protection.